Welcome to Physics Power. In this class I am going to explain about the drawbacks of Rutherford atomic model. So according to his alpha scattering experiment, he able to give some details about atomic structure, means he able to give the information about atom. That is, just we will go for a small recap. So according to his atomic model, he able to give the information from his experiment, that is the total positive charge, heavy positive charge located at the center of the atom, because that heavy positive charge able to scatter the alpha particles, and as well as that entire total positive charge located at the center and it is occupying very less space. So with that he said that the density of the nucleus is very high. And about negative charge, the negative charge as a particles, electrons revolving around the nucleus. So why he said revolving around the nucleus? If those are staying at a particular place, they will attract towards the nuclei, so and they will stick towards the nuclei and the atom will be collapsed. So that is why he said electrons are revolving continuously in circular orbits. So with his experimental set of alpha scattering experiment, he able to give some details about atomic structure. So he only the first person able to give complete picture about positive charge inside an atom. So that is his achievement. But about negative charge, he unable to give complete picture with an experimental details. So he compared with planetary motion. So with that he said electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular orbit. But later on many people asked many questions. For that he was unable to give the details. The first one is, he said electrons are revolving continuously around the nucleus. According to fundamental laws of electrodynamics, any charged body moving means it should emit electromagnetic radiation. But here if you observe, electron revolving. So if it is emitting the radiation, it should lose its energy, it should slow down. As it is slowing down, the velocity decreases, means outward centrifugal force should decrease, but attractive force between the nuclei and electron will be the same. So it should come close to the nuclei and it should fall in nuclei, but that is not happening. So he unable to give the details, that is, if electron is moving, it should radiate energy. He said in all the materials nucleus is there, inside in all the materials atoms are there, inside the atom nucleus, around the nucleus electrons revolving. So in all the materials electrons are revolving, so they should emit radiation. So from all the materials radiation should come, that is not happening. So that is his drawback. And as well as due to, for example, if electrons are revolving, they should lose energy. If they are losing energy due to the loss of their energy, electron radius should decrease and they should fall in the nucleus. So that is also not happening. So he was unable to explain the stability of the atom. So to explain this stability further, next Bohr studied about his entire atomic model and he modified his drawbacks, that is Bohr atomic model. In next coming class we will discuss about Bohr atomic model. Thank you.